I am shooting these brilliant red rocks in Sedona, Arizona against a clear blue sky today to illustrate a common exposure mistake. If you have ever shot a spectacular sunset, a vibrant field of flowers, or a towering red rock formation, checked your camera's LCD screen, and thought you nailed the exposure, only to get home and find your colors completely washed out and unrecoverable, you are not alone. You didn't make a mistake. Your camera settings misled you. By default, the histogram displayed on the LCD screen of almost every digital camera is the Luminosity histogram. When you look at this single graph, it might look perfectly balanced. The edges taper off nicely, and there is no evidence of clipping. You take the shot, confident that all your details are protected. In most cases, this works fine, but when you have vibrant or dominant colors in your image, you need a different gauge. To understand why the Luminosity histogram betrays you, we have to look at how it is actually created. The Luminosity histogram is not a simple, raw measurement of light. It is the result of a lot of complex calculations. Its primary purpose is to approximate how the human eye will perceive the image. The human eye does not see all colors equally. We are significantly more sensitive to green light than we are to red or blue light. Because of this biological fact, camera manufacturers program the Luminosity histogram with a massive bias. The accepted brightness factors used for these calculations are 59% for green, 30% for red, and just 11% for blue. Think about what those percentages actually mean for your photography. If you are shooting a brilliant blue sky, the data making up that blue color only contributes 11% to the luminosity graph you are looking at. If you are capturing a deep red canyon wall, that red data only accounts for 30%. Because the luminosity histogram averages these three color channels together and heavily favors green, a severe blowout in your red or blue pixels can be completely hidden from view. Your red channel could be violently clipping against the right edge of the graph, destroying all your texture and detail, but the luminosity graph will swallow that error and show you a smooth, safe curve. And as we know, highlight clipping is disastrous. When highlights are clipped, all that remains is pure white without any details or texture. Clipped highlight details cannot be recovered by editing software. If you plan to market your work as large plain canvas prints, a blown out highlight means there is literally no ink to lay down on the canvas. It is just empty, glaring space. To truly master your color and protect your highlights, you must dive into your camera's menu and change your display settings. Most digital cameras have the capability of displaying the histograms for red, green, and blue, as well as the luminosity histogram. These are referred to as color channel histograms. When you switch to this view, you are no longer looking at a deceptive average. You are looking at the exact distribution of your primary colors. For the red histogram, pure red is at the far left at bar 0, and white is on the extreme right at bar 255. The same is true for the green and blue histograms. By viewing the three individual color channels, you take total control. If you are shooting a rich red landscape and you see the red histogram bunching up against the extreme right side, you immediately know you are losing highlight detail in the rocks, even if the overall scene seems perfectly exposed. This level of precision is absolutely critical when capturing high contrast scenes. If you are shooting a bracketed sequence to capture a high dynamic range, you must always check the histogram for your darkest shot and make absolutely sure the right side isn't clipped. By verifying that right edge across your individual red, green, and blue channels, you guarantee that every ounce of texture and color is preserved for post-processing. Stop relying on averages. Stop letting the camera guess what your color should look like. Switch your display to the RGB color channel histograms, check your right edges, and start protecting your pixels. If you found value in this breakdown, please hit the subscribe button so I can continue to create more tutorials like this. And if you are ready to stop guessing and master your camera's most powerful tool, pick up a copy of my book, Mastering Photographic Histograms. The Amazon link is in the description below. Get out there, check your edges, and start steering your pixels with purpose. Let's keep it simple.